orders. This is the last singing contest, and those judges need the priority over there, okay? We don't mind you judging, standing over there looking like groupies and all that stuff, but let those singing judges have the priority. All right, here we go. Intertribal, all the way from Carnegie, Oklahoma, by the way of Hog Creek, Cozad Singers. Here we go.
Yeah, all of you dancers that wanted a second song, here it is, right here. Come on out and dance. Sound man, turn him up. Intertribal, we want to invite all you beautiful dancers to come on out. It's time to rock the house. Grass dancers, get them on, get ready. We're coming at you here pretty quick. Porch Creek in the house.
Thank you very much, Cozad Singers. And thank all you beautiful people. We want to extend a nice thank you to the brother that's been taking care of us every year. He is here, Flying Man Lemonade. These ain't plastic cups, by the way, man. These suckers have got ice. Cheers. Yep. Hang on, I need that one. Joaquin. Hang on, I need that one with the Grey Goose. Hey. All right. We're going to clear the arena one more time as we're going to be going into our men's grass 50 plus. When we fit these Intertribal, all you beautiful people, thank you for coming down. We have a rarity, but we will get to some more before we go to that supper break. And as we take our time to set up here, Linda, listen up. We're going to be excusing all drum groups unless you're involved in any of the specials or the gourd dance ceremony. And they're asking you to leave the chairs where they're at, okay? Please don't take the chairs. Flying Man, thank you once again. And I'm going to turn this over to my brother, who is also an MC that has MC'd with us for many occasions, and he's called upon to take us through the Horse Nation Parade. I'm going to ask my brother Bart Powwow from Fort Duchesne if he'd kind of share a little bit what's going to happen with the Horse Nation Parade.
Check, mic check, 1, 2, right on, thank you, Brent. Vince, I need to do a couple of things. First thing, I didn't know where all the pretty Indians are at. Make some noise. Oh, that's cool. The second thing, I didn't know where all the ugly Indians are at. Make some noise. Vince, it's about to get ugly up in here. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to invite all y'all to come on out around 4 o'clock. We have a horse parade that's going to take place. It's the biggest horse parade we had in years. Come on out to the horse parade, bring your cameras. We got people from all over the United States and Canada. Go over to the powwow grounds. We'll be announcing there. Right now we're calling for all Horse Nation to come on out to the stables. Get your horse ready. We're getting things ready at around 3:30. 4 o'clock we'll be making that circle around the park. So inviting all y'all, come on out and witness our beautiful riders. And also come on out and see the sponsor of this powwow. We got a lot of awesome sponsors that made their way. And also Derek and Lita will be out there too. So come on out, inviting everybody. Come on out, Horse Parade, 4 p.m. Inviting all y'all. Back to you, Vince.
Thank you very much, Brother Bart. By the way, Bart, it's not too late to have a fully beaded Minnesota Viking medallion. This guy's a staunch Bronco fan. All right, we're going to turn it over to Brother Ruben as he's been asked on behalf of Randy to take us through this special. All grass dancers, 50 plus, stand by.
Right on. Thank you, Vince. Thank you, Bart. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get right into it. 50 years and older men's grass. Come on in. Sharpshooter, stand by, Worm. Some of you know Randy Medicine Bear, some of you don't. His traditional name is Wambly Wichasha. He is the son of Bernice Medicine Bear and the late Philip LeClaire. He's an enrolled member of the Sichangu, Lakota tribe, Rosebud, Sioux tribe. His brothers here, Bruce LeClaire. They have 3 siblings who have passed on in memory of Keith Myron and a little sister, Darla. Randy has a lot of relatives back home in South Dakota, but he makes his home here in Colorado with his wife, Dorinda, and family. He attended the University of New Mexico, where he received his Bachelor of Science